All right, it's a new day. I'm just kidding. We just filmed our intro video. If you didn't watch that, of course, go back and check it out. It's where we do an introduction on both of our Jeeps. And if you did watch it, you are in the loop of knowing that we are starting a Superduty Dana 60 swap.
Oh, what's up, Denise?
What?
What's up, Denise? Didn't see you there.
Who's Denise?
It's the hot rod thing, dude.
Oh, like off the movie?
Off the movie.
I never watched Hot Rod.
Holy shit, listen, now he's sitting there beating on the fucking 350 clamp. It's the best thing ever.
Alright, so, currently right now, we are mocking up the truss. We're kind of running into a little issue, with drinking a Pepsi.
Pepsi.
We are currently, having a little issue with, you know, where it's supposed to be and, you know, where's everything supposed to sit, our caster, stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna figure it out. Like we said in the previous video, by no means this is a tutorial. We're just showing our experience and hoping that, you know, you guys could base off of, you know, all the ideas on, you know, the variety of 1-ton swaps on XJs on YouTube, because there's, you know, there's a couple of them.
There's a lot of good things and there's a lot of bad things on them too. We've already come into contact with a couple of bad things just from different swaps that we've watched or swaps that we've seen. And I don't know, one of the things that we're running into right now is the coils in retaliation to how they sit on the axle. We have an idea in our head how we want them to run just from past Jeeps, and right now with the way that this truss is set up, they're not going to run that way, so we've got to do a little bit of, I guess, modifying to make them run the way that we want to, but nothing major.
Right. So yeah, hopefully the next clip you guys will see us with the truss tacked on, hopefully, or, you know, maybe beforehand. But yeah, just figuring stuff out right now, so we'll keep you updated. Right now, we are doing some welding. A little hazy in here. A little hazy in here. So right now, we're just fixing some of the boo-boos that I did while cutting this thing apart. And then we're gonna grind them down flat. Currently, Cole's changing out wire because we ran out. And yeah, and then we're gonna be welding the axle tubes to the pig. That way nothing ever twists, even though it probably never will, but just in case. Security measures. Alright, so we got everything welded up as of all the dings and grinding whoopsies I had. We welded on the pig to the axle tubes, and now we're a little bit ahead. We have everything tacked up to where we think we want it. We don't know 100%. This is a Artec TJ/XJ Superduty swap truss. And the directions kind of tell you to, you know, mock it up to whatever fits your needs, and me and Cole got a little confused, but I think we got it figured out. Basically, our biggest concern was making sure our coil springs are level, like they go straight up and down. We don't want coil springs that, you know, curve and stuff. So what we did was we looked up Superduty caster numbers, and we set it at that. Then we put our coil spring perches at 0, so they're completely flat to the Superduty caster, and we think that's relatively close, right, Cole?
Yeah.
Our truss is angled quite a bit compared to everything else. Our truss is like 2 degrees off from being perfectly level with the diff cover mounting surface. So yeah, we're kind of just mocking it up and doing a little bit of winging it, but at the same time, you know, I'm pretty sure we're correct, right?
100%.
100%. So
this is part of the how not to, how to part.
yeah, yes, you know, things like this, I feel like you kind of just gotta hope, you know, do the best you can and hope it works, but yeah. All right, where are we at with this thing, Cole?
Letting it cool for a little bit, because we don't want to take a chance at warping that axle tube, which yes, it's thick wall. Yeah, but you can still warp it. We're not taking that chance because there's a lot of money and time invested in this, so.
That's right. So, we got the truss welded onto the axle tube, and plus the truss all welded up, except for on the pig. What we're gonna do, we're gonna set the little diesel heater, the loopy header. I'm feeling loopy.
I feel great.
Really?
Besides my throat.
Yeah, we're in here with a diesel heater. We're gonna set the diesel heater on the axle pig. Go get a little bite to eat, and by the time we get back, we should be pretty close to being able to weld that up. The rest we'll be able to just hit with some MAP gas if it's not hot enough. And yeah, then the truss will be complete, except for the coil buckets. We're kind of waiting on those until it's under the Jeep. And yeah, we will go from there. All right.
Here we are!
I'm not sure if you can hear.
On today's episode!
I couldn't even hear that.
What?
We are currently heating up the pig of the axle and getting it up to about 400 degrees, but yeah, it's turning out swell. Maybe because you're sticking it in a flame.
No, that's not why. That's not why.
That's not why, no. She's all wrapped up, as you just saw last clip. It burned in real good. We heated it up with some MAP gas and buddy heater, a little diesel heater, and yeah. Now she's wrapped up. So hopefully she holds.
No promises.
No promises.
Taillight warranty.
Taillight warranty. Mailbox warranty. Out of the garage door warranty.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning warranty. Like I said, definitely not a tutorial, just the steps we are taking. Right, Cole?
Far from a tutorial.
Far from. We think we did a pretty good job. Our calculations and stuff will show in a later date.
And if you don't see it, you know it wasn't right.
And if you don't see it, you know it wasn't right. Best thing about editing. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2 of the swap.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.